The Jobs to be Done framework, often called JTBD, is one of the most powerful tools for understanding why people buy, use, or abandon products. It shifts your focus from demographics and features to human motivations, the real job someone hires your product to do. Every product exists because people are trying to make progress in their lives. They have a goal, a struggle, or a desire for change. The JTBD framework helps you uncover that deeper purpose so you can design solutions that truly fit into their world. Let's start with the core idea. People don't buy products, they hire them. A customer doesn't buy a drill because they want a drill. They buy it because they want a hole in the wall. And even deeper, they might want to hang a photo of their family to make their house feel like home. That emotional layer, that's the real job. When mapping out jobs to be done, your task is to go beyond surface-level needs and uncover both the functional and emotional jobs your users are trying to accomplish. Functional jobs are practical, completing a task, saving time, improving accuracy. Emotional jobs are about how users want to feel, confident, organized, safe, or proud. Start by interviewing your users. Ask them about specific moments of struggle. When was the last time you faced this problem? What were you trying to achieve? What did you do next? These stories reveal their motivations, triggers, and desired outcomes. You're looking for the situations that lead them to seek a solution. Next, categorize what you find. In the JTBD framework, we often break things into 3 layers: the job itself, the pain points that prevent progress, and the desired outcomes that define success. For example, if your product helps people plan meals, the job might be, feed my family healthy food every week. The pain points might be, I don't have time to plan, or my kids are picky eaters. The desired outcome might be, I want to feel organized and confident that my family is eating well. Once you've mapped these insights, patterns begin to emerge. You'll start to see common themes, recurring struggles that multiple people share. These are the key jobs your MVP should focus on solving. You don't need to fix everything. You just need to deliver real progress where it matters most. It's also helpful to identify the context and constraints around each job. When do people need this solution most? What triggers the need? What alternatives do they currently use? And what frustrates them about those? Understanding the environment in which the job exists helps you design something that fits seamlessly into users' lives. A good JTBD map doesn't just describe what users say, they describe what users mean. It captures the emotional undertones and situational forces that shape their behavior. For example, someone might say they want a budgeting app, but what they really want is to feel in control of their finances. That's the true job. You can visualize your JTBD map using a simple structure. 1 non-job statement, what the user is trying to accomplish, e.g., get dinner on the table fast without sacrificing nutrition. 2 forces, what pushes or pulls them toward or away from certain solutions, e.g., time pressure, convenience, frustration with old tools. 3 pain points, what obstacles stand in their way, e.g., confusing recipes, lack of time, expensive ingredients. 4 desired outcome, what success looks like to them, e.g., feeling efficient, proud, or at ease. Once you've built your JTBD map, use it to prioritize features. Each feature should tie back to a specific job or outcome. If it doesn't, it's likely unnecessary at the MVP stage. The goal is to create a product that fits naturally into how people already think and behave. The power of JTBD lies in its simplicity and depth. It reminds us that innovation isn't about building new features. It's about helping people make progress. It's about empathy, context, and clarity. Incorporate this mindset into every part of your product development process, from ideation to design to marketing. Instead of saying, we built this app to track tasks, you can say, we help people feel in control of their day. That shift changes everything, from how you talk about your product to how you design it. Ultimately, mapping out jobs to be done keeps you grounded in what truly matters. It's a tool that cuts through assumptions, keeps you focused on the customer's real world, and helps you create solutions that stick. Because when you understand the job, you don't just build products, you build progress.